This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Etrade. First, securely log into your Etrade account using your unique username and password. Once logged in, locate and click on the Accounts tab, typically found at the top of the page. This will display an overview of all your investment accounts. From there, select the specific account that holds the securities you intend to sell, ensuring you are in the correct portfolio. Next, within your chosen account, you'll see a list of all your holdings. Identify the specific security you wish to sell, whether it's a stock, an ETF, or a mutual fund. Click on its name to access its individual details page. On this page, you'll find various actions you can take. Look for and select the Sell button, which will initiate the process of placing your sell order. Now, it's time to enter the specifics of your sell order. First, input the exact number of shares or units you intend to sell. Then, select your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want the trade to occur. If you choose a limit order, remember to enter your desired limit price. Finally, before submitting, thoroughly review all the details of your sell order on the confirmation screen. Double-check the security symbol, the quantity of shares, the order type, and the estimated proceeds from the sale. Ensure everything is accurate and exactly as you intended. Once you are completely satisfied, click the Confirm button to submit your order for execution. You'll receive a confirmation once the trade is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.